What's up, everybody? And welcome to another episode of Just Beer. Today's episode, what we're going to be going over is how to properly pour beer. When you pour beer properly, you're allowing some of the aromas to come out within the hops or the malt to come out in the head of the beer, which is the foam that you're going to see. And you want that when you're pouring the beer. It's going to allow you to taste fully what the beer should taste like. Now, when you're pouring the beer, you may be afraid of having the head spill over the glass. When drinking a beer properly or pouring the beer properly, you can get a lot more of the aromas, what the beer is supposed to taste like, if you pour it properly. So when I take my beer, it's not being aggressive, but it's pouring the beer with purpose. I like that. So I'm going to take my beer. I personally tilt my glass at a little bit of an angle with a bottle. And I'll show you with a can in a second and some tips on how to do this properly as well. But with the bottle, pour the glass at an angle, and I'll start pouring my beer in. Once I get the beer going, I'm going to start getting a little aggressive with it because I want this head to start forming in the beer. The head in the beer is going to do a couple purposes. One, that allows the CO2 in the beer to start coming out of the beer, so it's not going to agitate your stomach as much. Number two, it's going to allow more of the flavors to come out, not just within the taste, but I'm also going to be able to smell a lot more of the malt and a lot more of the hops that come along with the beer as well. So if you're sipping on the beer and enjoying it for what it is, you want to pour it correctly. If you're just going to go to town chugging them back, doing what you're doing, well, then it doesn't really matter. Enjoy the beer however you want to. I'm not judging. All right. So that's pouring the beer from the bottle. When it comes to a can, it's the same thing as far as pouring the beer, but just a little helpful hint for you. If you take the beer and you pour it from a side angle, it allows more oxygen to go into the can as you're pouring the beer out. So it's going to give you more consistent pour as you're pouring the beer. So it's going to allow you to pour the beer correctly. Go a little bit easy in the beginning, and then you want to go a little bit heavy because this is what I want to happen. It's going to allow more of the flavors to come out. It's going to allow the beer to stay a little bit fresher longer, to remain or to have the fullest potential for the aroma or the flavor to come out in the beer. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today on Just Beer. If you like this comment, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you would like to see. Give this channel a like, and then I will see you again next time. Cheers.